Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method on Netflix using an iPhone. First, open the Netflix app on your phone and make sure you are signing to the main account, also called the account owner. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on your account or a three dot. After that, tap on account. Scroll down until you see membership and billing section. Tap manage payment information or update payment method. Netflix will now ask you to sign in again for security. Just enter your Netflix email and password. Now you can choose a new payment method. You can add credit card, debit card or other available payment option depending on your country. Enter the new payment details carefully, then save or update. Once saved, Netflix will automatically use this new payment method for future billing. You don't need to cancel your plan or restart anything. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.